So welcome students. In this question, you're given that 2 theta lies between pi and 3 pi by 2. If that is so, what is the value of root of 2 plus root of 2 plus cos 4 theta? So what I'm trying to do is, I'll try to sequentially simplify the roots from inside. So first, what is root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta? That is, if I take 2 common, 1 plus cos 4 theta, right? That is equal to root of 2 times 1 plus cos 4 theta is nothing but 2 cos square 4 theta by 2, which is 2 theta. So 2 cos square 2 theta, right? Which is equal to, so 2 into 2, if it comes out of square root, you get 2. Cos square of 2 theta, square root of it is modulus of cos 2 theta. So you have to be very careful here. Root of cos square 2 theta is not cos square 2 theta, it is mod cos 2 theta. Now to see what happens with mod, you take the information given in the question. So it's given that 2 theta lies between pi and 3 pi by 2. Pi is 180 degrees and 3 pi by 2, which is 270 degrees. 2 theta lies between 180 and 270. That means 2 theta lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cos is negative. So mod of cos 2 theta is minus of cos 2 theta. So you get minus 2 cos 2 theta. So square root of this complete thing is nothing but minus 2 cos 2 theta. So if you put it here, so you get, in the second stage, you get root of 2 minus 2 cos 2 theta. That is equal to root of, if you take 2 common, 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. So root of 4 sin square theta is 2 mod sin theta. So now what happens with mod of sin theta? For that, you need to understand where theta lies. So for that, I'll divide the complete expression with 2, inequality with 2. So you get pi by 2 less than theta less than 3 pi by 4. That means theta lies between pi by 2 and 3 pi by 4, 90 and 135 degrees. That means theta lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sign is positive. So mod sin theta is same as sin theta. So you get the answer as 2 into plus sin theta. That is 2 sin theta. Option D is the right answer to this question. Thank you.